SNA Europe is a market-leading manufacturer offering a wide range of tools and professionals, and we are part of Snap-on Group. Digital is becoming a priority in our industry. Hence, we have developed a very comprehensive plan to accelerate SNA Europe's metamorphosis into a digital-enabled company. SNA Europe will put the customers and digital at the center of everything we do. We are looking for technology leaders and enablers who could help us to, first, drive production efficiency and flexibility, enabling advanced and automated manufacturing, bin picking through the use of data, and network factories. Second, enhancing the industry and customer knowledge with new visualization technologies such as augmented and virtual reality. And third, accelerate product innovation by leveraging data and artificial intelligence-assisted technologies to bring new, customized and engineered solutions. If you feel you can effectively help us to achieve our goals and take us to the next level, we will be delighted to partner up and grow with you. Do you dare? See you soon.